Let's do it again. Here we go. So basically, everything needs to be removed of the old systems. All the wiring, all the plumbing, all of the switches and cables and everything that goes through this boat. It's all got to be pulled back to its starting point. Everything's got to be cleaned up. We really need to get down to the bare naked hull. Any day now, this boat is getting pulled out of the water. There's scheduling issues and marina personnel and so on and so forth. Little conflicts and things going on as far as timing goes. So basically think of this boat as a wheelbarrow that's gonna carry trash all the way up. See that ramp over there? Over there is like, I don't know, 50 steps or something, and a ramp and a long gangway. It's like walking a quarter mile, then going up 48 steps. I'm not dragging all that trash up that way. So I'm hoping that this boat will work as a wheelbarrow to bring all my trash up the hill. I think we'll just put the boat down 50 feet from the dumpster and handle it then. We got more pleather to tear. I'm tired of pleather. We'll see if we can do this in record pace. 1, 2. It's really no different after you take it off. You still have something you have to take off the wall. That's about all we can get out of there. All this trash has got to go. It's got to go. Get out of here. There we go. Now we're going to take down this speaker wires and all these DC lines. There we go. Let's disconnect some stuff. We'll do that. Put this in the box of things we need to definitely keep for a future reference. Oh, I guess we didn't keep much. Jag Carpet never quits, baby. Never quits. Scientists have estimated that in the early 1980 versions of the Sea Ray SRV, there was between 35 to 45 million staples installed at the time of production. What to do, what to do. We gotta see what's under this thing. Yeah, shag carpet under the shower, baby. Oh, there's a ton of this stuff under here. Common sense tells me to cut this thing up in strips and pull it out. Aha, no guard. Interesting. This sucker might end up staying in here. Doesn't look like I just absolutely have to get under it, but... It's 80 degrees outside, which means it's 174 degrees in here. Chipping away. Well, we got a truck, we got a trailer, we got everything set up. But we need the guy that runs the truck. And of course, as you can tell, we have problems. Nothing new. These next few days are dedicated to getting it out of the water so that I can really get to work. That doesn't look right at all. That's not good. This man is inside the truck with his engine. I think I know who's going to be working on the 454s in the boat.
I'm excited to do that.
Oh, there you go.
Yep.
All right. I think I'm going to work on the van while I'm waiting for the boat to be pulled out. Stand by for a video.